A thief is pursued by a policeman which is 150 मीटर ahead at the start. So initially 150 मीटर जो है पुलिस thief जो है आगे है. This is policeman. Now speed का रेशियो दे रखा है 5:4. So let the speed be 5x and 4x. नाउ अगर पुलिस वाला जो है 150 मीटर पे चलेगा प्लस कुछ डी डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा जहाँ पे उसे चोर पकड़ में आ जाएगा. तो टाइम इजिकल्स टू व्हाट क्या होता है डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड दैट इज 5x. और चोर जो है उसने अगर यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है तो वो सिर्फ डी डिस्टेंस चलेगा दैट इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. क्योंकि ये सेम टाइम में दोनों जो है किसी फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन में पहुंचेंगे. एम्प्लाइज दैट 600 प्लस एक्स है एक्स कैंसल 4d इज इक्वल्स टू 5d एम्प्लाइज दैट डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू 600. तो तीर जो है 600 मीटर चलेगा और पकड़ में आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट P and Q start running in the opposite direction on a circular track from the same point if their speed are 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो ये कोई सर्कुलर ट्रैक है जिसकी लेंथ है 6c20 मीटर. अब दोनों जो है अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में दौड़ना शुरू किया. तो टाइम कितना लगेगा उन्हें. दे विल मीट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इज डिस्टेंस स्पीड जो है ऐड हो जाएगी दैट इज 18 18 8 9 जा that is 90 seconds. Next, a boatman rows 30 kilometer distance and back in 14 hours. 30 kilometer कोई distance गया and he can also find that he can row 10 kilometer with the stream. With the stream is u minus v. At the same time 4 kilometer against the stream that is u plus v. Now u plus v upon u minus v is equals to what? This cancel out 2 by 5. Now applying component on dividendo, so 2u upon 2v is equals to what? This cancel out 7 by 3. So u will be 7 in 7 ratio and v will be in 3 ratio. So now putting this value in the equation number 1. A boatman rows to a place 30 km distance, again 30 km and back in 14 hours, which is equals to 14. है ना? So here it will be 7x minus 3x and 7x plus 3x that is 10x. So it will be 4x that is 7.5 by x plus 3 by x is equals to 14. So x will be what? 10.5 by 14. Now dividing it 10.5 by 14. So what will be? This is almost 7 ja है ना 14 7 ja is what 98. So 98 carry 7 that is again point 14 5 ja is 70. So 7.5. Now speed of the stream will be what? Here it was speed of the stream that is 3x 7.5 into 3. Now kilometer per hour it is asking in kilometer per hour, so it will be 0.75. This is not 7.5, this is 0.75. So 0.75 multiplied by 3 or this is again 3 by 4, this is 9 by 4. Correct answer will be 9 by 4. Next, a motorboat takes 18 hours to go downstream and it takes 36 hours to return the same distance. Find the ratio of boat and this. So 18 आवर्स लगा रहा हूँ डाउनस्ट्रीम जाने में, कोई डी डिस्टेंस गया है ना, और क्या स्पीड से गया, u प्लस वी की स्पीड से गया, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 18, और जो है 36 आवर लगा, अगेन सेम डिस्टेंस पर जो है u माइनस वी अगेंस्ट द स्ट्रीम गया 36 आवर्स में, रेशो डिवाइड कर लो 1/2, डी से डी कैंसिल, तो u माइनस वी बाय u प्लस वी इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट 1/2 है ना। तो स्पीड ऑफ बोट और उसका रेशियो पूछा है, कंपोनेंट डिविडेंड लगा दो, 2u बाय 2v इज व्हाट 3/1, सो रेशियो कितना हो जाएगा 3:1। नेक्स्ट, a motorboat traveling some distance covered 20 hello 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 a motorboat traveling at some speed can cover 24 km upstream and 40 km downstream in 17 hours. Let upstream speed be u and downstream speed be d, and it is saying again that it will travel 12 km upstream and 32 km downstream in 10 hours. So equalizing the both equation, multiplying this equation by 2. So it will be 24 upon upstream plus 64 upon downstream is equals to 20. So this is equation 1 and this is second. Equalizing both equation, 1 minus 2, that is 24 to 24 by u cancel out, and 24 by d is equals to 3. So downstream speed will be 8. Putting this in equation 1. So it will be 8 5 ja. Again now it is 12. So upstream speed will be 2. So u minus v will be 2 and u plus v will be 8. Now the speed of stream is, so it is asking speed of stream. So again subtracting both equation. So minus 2v is equals to minus 6. So v is equals to 3. Next, in a circular race of 4,800 meter, A and B start from the same point at the same time with the speed of 36 and 54. When will they meet again for the first time if they are running in the opposite direction? So in opposite direction, what will be? Speed will be added. So 36 plus 54, 10, 1, 90. Now converting into meter per second, that is 5 by 18. So 18 5 ja, and 5 5 ja 25, 4 ja 32, 116, 192 seconds. Next, two trains of length 150 meter and 250-meter run on parallel lines. When they run in the same direction, they take 20 seconds to cross each other. When they run, they take 5 seconds. So when they run in the parallel lines, so distance will be what? Both upon time is what? 20 seconds, same direction, and again 150 plus 250 upon S1 plus here is they both traveling in opposite direction, so speed will be added and it will take 5 seconds, and here they both are traveling in the same direction, so S1 minus S2. Now this is what 400 So it will be 20. S1 minus S2 is what? 20. And again 400 S1 plus S2 is equals to 80. So what is asking? What is speed of both the trains? So it will be 150 and T 50. Yes, which will be 5 by meter per second multiplied by 10. Yeah, that is 180. Next, the thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 200 meter. When the policeman start the chase, the thief also start running. So thief started running from here. The policeman started running from here. If the speed of the thief is 9 km per hour and is that of policeman is 10 km per hour, how far the thief will have to run before he overtakes? We know that at some time they both will meet. So let this distance be d. This is what the examiner is asking. So for policeman 200 plus d upon the speed is 10 time, and for thief is 10 by 9. Now this is changing into kilometer, that is 1 by 5 or zero point 0.2. So 1.8 plus 9d is equals to 10d. So distance is what? 1.8 kilometer. Next, again, thief policeman question. A thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 195 meters. When the policeman started the chase, the thief also started running. If the speed of thief is 22 km per hour and that of policeman is 27 km per hour, how far the thief would have run before he is overtaken? Same question. कर लोगे? Next, same type of question. Let's solve this. The thief is noticed by a policeman from a distance of 92 meters. The thief start running and policeman chases him. The thief and policeman run in the how much time? Time is what? Distance upon speed. So they both are running in the same direction. So it will be S1 minus S2. S1 minus S2. That is 10, 14.4 multiplied by 5 to 18. That is kilometer per hour to meter. 18. 8 ja. 0.8. 10, 4, 5, 5 to 5, 4, 2 ja, 8, 4, 3 ja. So 23 seconds the correct answer. Now, a motorboat whose speed is 15 kilometer per hour in still water, that is U is given 15. It goes 50 kilometer downstream. So U plus V, and 50 kilometer upstream, that is U minus V in 7, 1 by 2 hours. So the speed of stream U. अब इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में जो है इतना बड़ा सॉल्व करने की बजाय अपन ऑप्शन से गेम खेलेंगे. सो यू का कितना दे रहेगा? 15. यहाँ पे भी आ जाएगा 15. अब ऐसी वैल्यू ढूंढो. 4 को कैसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? 5 और 2.5 है ना, और 4 और 3.5. सो लेट्स टेक हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड. सो पहले ये लेते हैं जो इजीली हो जाए. लेट v be 5. So 15 plus 5 is what? 20. 50 by 20 is what? 2.5. 2 to 4 and 1/2 hours. And 15 minus 5 is what? 10 plus 5. So बैठ गया पहले में. 5 plus 2.5 is 7 hours. So speed of v will be 5 km per hour. Now a boat cover a distance of 55 km downstream in 5 hours, while it takes 11 hours to cover the same distance. So downstream it is u plus y is equals to 5 and 55, while it takes 11 hours to cover the same distance downstream. So u minus v is what? 5, and u plus v is what? 11. U plus v 11, u minus v is 5. What is the speed of the boat? Minus कर दो, add कर दो. 2u is equals to 16. U is equals to 8. Speed of the boat is 8 km per hour. Next, a thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 100 meter. Thief started running, policeman started chasing. How far? Same type of question. Answer in the comment. Two goods train, this and this running towards a parallel. How much time will it take to cross? Time is what? Distance upon speed. Distance is what? 132 meter plus 108 meter, because they both will cross each other. So both the distance will be added. Now they are running towards each other. So speed will be added. So it will be 40 plus 32 is 72. Now meter per second 5 by 18 is what? 8 plus 2, 10, 4 to 40, 4, 20, 12 seconds. Policeman is chasing a thief at the policeman speed is 82 km per hour. The thief is 1300 meter away and its speed is 64 km per hour. So कर लोगे. Next, thief is that the thief is 1300 meter away and running at the speed of how much time? Time is what? Distance upon speed. So time is what? Distance upon speed. They are running in the same direction. 82 minus 64, that is 8, 18 into 5 by 18. 5 2 ja 10, 3, 6. So 260 seconds. Next, suppose P starts walking at the speed of 8 km per hour. After 8 hours, P start walking at the speed of 8 km per hour. After 8 hours, so it will be 64 kilometers. P would have traveled 8 multiplied by 8, that is 64 kilometers. B started traveling on bicycle from here only, on the starting point, at the speed of 24 kilometer per hour. So distance from, so time is what? Distance upon speed. Speed is what? Relative speed is what? S1 minus S2, that is 24 minus 8, that is 16. So time is what? 4 hours. So distance from B, the distance from the starting B can catch. So for 4 hours, it will travel 60. For 4 hours, it will travel 96 kilometers. Next, a policeman noticed a thief at some distance. The policeman started running to catch the thief, and thief also started running at the same time. The speed of both policeman and thief was 12 km per hour for police and 10 km for thief. It took 30 minutes. So time is what? Distance upon speed. Time is given 30 minutes. That is half hour is equals to what? Distance d upon relative speed will be s1 minus s2 will be 2. So distance is what? 1 kilometer or 1000 meters. Next, two athletes are participating in a race on a circular track of 220 meter. Ravi runs at the speed of 22 meter per second while Kapil runs at they start from the same time at the same point. So how many seconds of the time is what? Distance upon speed. Higher speed will be, relative speed will be s1 minus s2 because they are both traveling in the same direction. So 20 minus 12, 11 is 11. So it will be 20 seconds. Next, A thief takes off on his bike at a certain speed. A thief takes off on his bike at a certain speed. After seeing a police car at a distance of 250 meters, the police car started chasing the thief and catches him. If the thief runs 1.5 kilometers before being caught, so here the catch is if the thief runs 1.5 kilometer, then here is the police and here is the thief. Here he started running. So he ran for 1.5 kilometer before being caught. So policeman will run 1.75 kilometers. That is 1.5 plus 2.25 kilometers upon speed is what 70, which is equals to, we know that time is same for him to reach here and for him to reach here. So the distance traveled by a thief will be 1.5 upon speed is, we don't know, x. Now cancelling this out, this this 15, 5 3 ja 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, 2 5 5 ja 35, 2 ja, so it will be 60 kilometer per hour. Next, in a circular race of 1600 meter in length, Bhaskar and Vinay start with the speed of this and this, starting at the same time from the same point. Well, we'll meet for the first time when running in the opposite direction. So calculate for opposite direction. Opposite direction will S1 plus S2. That will be 27 plus 45. 27 plus 45, 72 multiplied by 5 by 18. 4 5 4 ja 20. This is 800 seconds. 80 seconds, sorry, 80 seconds. So it will be 1 minute 20 seconds. Option will be the correct answer. Now, on a 2200 long circular track, Sarita and Kavita drove their cycles from the same point in the opposite direction with the speed. How much time is what distance upon speed? Again, 20 opposite direction. So it will be added 20 plus 16, that is 36 into 5 by 18. 2 ja 5 2 ja 10. That will be 220 seconds. So it will be 3 minutes 180 plus 40, 3 minutes 40 seconds. Next, P and Q takes part in a 400-meter race. So this is a 400-meter race. P runs at 12 kilometer per hour. P gives Q a start of 20 meters. So Q will start from here. Q has to run 380 meters and P has to run all 400 meters. So time for P will be 400 upon 12, that is 5 by 18. 6 2 ja 3 ja 5 2 ja 10, 10 cancel out. So for 400 meter, P will take 120 seconds. But now here it is saying that P still beats him by 30 seconds, 13 seconds. So when P will be here, Q will be here. Q started from here. So Q will take what? If P takes 120 seconds, Q will take 133 seconds because it will take 13 seconds more. So 133 seconds he will take in for distance 380 meters. So speed will be what? This is meter per second. So multiplying it by kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So it will be what? 3.6. And this will be what? This will be okay, fine. Let this be 380 by 133. Now we know that this is 18, this is 5. Cancelling this out, 5 7 ja 35, 3 5 6 ja 76. So 76 into 2, 140, 152. For this type of question, 70. So now this 76 and 18, 8 ja is for 144. This is somewhere about 7.5. 76 divided by 7.5, which will around 10.2 something. So correct answer will be second.